Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make good deviled eggs. Achieving the perfect deviled egg begins with a perfectly hard-boiled egg. For the easiest peeling, choose eggs that are about 1 week old. Boil them for 10 to 12 minutes to ensure firm, fully cooked yolks. Once boiled, immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This crucial step stops the cooking process and helps prevent that unsightly green ring around the yolk, ensuring a beautiful presentation. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy filling. Carefully have your cooled, peeled eggs lengthwise and gently scoop the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Mash these yolks thoroughly with a fork until they are completely smooth, with no lumps remaining. Then, incorporate about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a half teaspoon of white vinegar. Finish by seasoning with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper, mixing until well combined. To truly elevate your deviled eggs, consider adding some optional ingredients. A dash of smoked paprika, finely chopped chives, or a spoonful of sweet pickle relish can add wonderful depth. For a professional and elegant look, transfer your creamy yolk mixture into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Then, carefully pipe the filling back into each egg white half, creating a beautiful swirl. Finish by garnishing with a light sprinkle of paprika or a few fresh herb sprigs. The final, yet crucial, step is chilling. Once assembled, place your deviled eggs in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is essential as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and helps the filling set, making them easier to handle and enjoy. Arrange them artfully on a serving platter. For the best taste and texture, plan to serve these delightful treats within 2 days of preparation. Enjoy your perfectly crafted deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.